Hello, this is Victoria from Blue Hen Arts. This piece is I completed just in the workshop this morning to noon for the cucumber and the cucumber flower for the gongbi painting workshop, and I mounted it already on the backing paper. There's a board and a silicone paper. Stick them together. Silicone film in between my painting, back of my painting, and then an iron on the backing paper. Okay, and then I found for this baby cucumber. I said in the class, I forgot the last touch is after this circled or halfway circled this bumping things, and I need to put a little bit light like the white or a little bit yellow to squeeze out this stuff. So I'm use my liner brush and touch a little bit like from the our new product, Chinese watercolor for Chinese painting, Marie's color cake, to get some a little bit, a little bit yellow gamboge on the white. So I do a little bit like on the side of it. Yeah, some like lost and found things. Make a dot there. Then there's more layers, right? Shows not covered. Okay, yeah, on the side. And this, so this is different from the matured ripe cucumber. It's baby cucumber, like very small and squeezed together. Okay, so also you can see, so after mounting, the paper is size paper. I still can work on it. Yeah, this is the also example for it. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll send you the video with this mounted painting together. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the class, and we will have it for next month for other subject matter. Thank you. Bye-bye.